Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The study of kissing is called philematology. The name Instagrams comes from mashing of instant camera and telegram. PewDiePie won't hire an editor to edit his videos. Using the letter X as a kiss dates back to the Middle Ages. Every day, the heart creates enough energy to drive a truck 20 miles. Switzerland has the best quality of life in the world. TikTok is called Douyin in China. Men are struck by lightning 5 times more often than women. Half of all women who die from homicide are killed by their current or former husbands or partner. Men lie 6 times a day, twice as often as women. The Four Corners is the only spot in the US where you can stand in 4 states at once. In his lifetime, a man spends almost 6 months shaving. Psycho was the first movie to show a toilet flushing. Unfaithful men have lower IQs. We usually lean to the right when we kiss. In 1992, Michael Jackson was crowned a king. In 2011, 30% of all the videos on YouTube account for over 99% of views. A group of wild beasts is called a confusion. Female anacondas eat their male after mating so they can survive during 7 months of fasting during pregnancy. When elephants lose a mate, they refuse to eat and will lay down shedding tears until they die. Every magical child is enrolled at Hogwarts when they are born. After the premiere of 16 and teen pregnancy rates dropped. BMW made its first electric car in 1972. The chances that the glass of water you're drinking contains a molecule of water that once passed through a dinosaur is about 100%. Back when dinosaurs existed, there used to be volcanoes that were erupting on the moon. The inside of this cactus has the same structure as a cable. Honeybees can flap their wings 200 times per second. The leg bones of a bat are so thin that no bat can walk. Sharks have survived 4 out of Big 5 mass extinction events which makes them older than humanity, older than Mount Everest, older than dinosaurs. The US Navy maintains a research vessel that is designed to be capsized vertically. If a guide dog judges that a command is unsafe, it will refuse the command. Wild bananas often contain large seeds. Russian brown bear, who was abandoned as a cub and raised by humans, has now started a modeling career. In 2008, a beach was stolen in Jamaica. Van Gogh painting gets revealed to the public for the first time since it was painted in 1887. It's just a crayfish in the bucket, but it looks like it's capturing the world. In 2016, an OEO student on vacation in North Korea was arrested and sentenced to 50 years in prison for stealing a poster from his hotel room. There are at least 1 million advertisers on Instagram. There is no limit to the amount of items that can be for sale at once on eBay. Harry Patch, the last surviving soldiers of World War I, died at the age of 111 years, 1 month, 1 week and 1 day. 10-year-old Tilly Smith saved her family and 100 other tourists from the 2004 Asian tsunami. Unicorn and Eurocycle are the two biggest unicycle conventions, sports and races. Before it was the video sharing giant it is today, YouTube began as a dating site. A baby spider is called a spiderling. People became slaves in ancient Greece after they were captured in wars. People who eat spicy foods tend to be adventurous and also have more sex. Thanks for watching.